Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Popper Accordion widget to your Wix website. Accordion widgets can help you organize content neatly, improve readability, and make it easier for visitors to find answers quickly. They're especially useful when you want to present a lot of information in a compact space without overwhelming the page, so users can expand only the sections they care about. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard and click on Widgets from the left sidebar. Then click Create New Widget. Now, search for Accordion in the search bar and open the widget. After that, you'll see an option to choose a layout. Select the layout you want and the editor will open. On the right side, you'll see the Accordion preview, and on the left side, you'll see the Settings panel. In the Content tab, you can change the main header settings, including the text, and you can also enable or disable it. The same applies to the description section. You'll also find an Enable Schema option. Schema helps search engines better understand your content, which can improve how the Accordion content is interpreted and displayed in search results. In Manage Categories, you can add multiple categories. Then, in the Questions section, you can click Add New to add questions, including the title, category, whether it should be open by default, and the answer. In the Templates tab, you can switch between different templates. Next, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can change the theme preset and adjust the colors. If you want different colors, you can add them from the Color panel. In Typography, you can edit the title size and description size. Under Grid Layout, you can choose between column or row layout. In Appearance, you can turn Dark Mode on if needed. Once you've finished customizing everything, click Publish Widget. After publishing, copy the code and go to your Wix site editor. Now add a Embed HTML block, paste your installation code inside it, and click Apply. Finally, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.